Hey there, lovebirds! Are you head over heels for someone special? Today we're here to help you avoid some major love blunders. Welcome to the exciting world of crush hacks, where we're all about guiding you along the path of affection without tripping over common pitfalls. We're not just talking about avoiding these mistakes, we're talking about completely steering clear of them. Why, you ask? Simply because these errors can potentially sabotage your chances with that special someone. Imagine having your heart set on a person, only to have your actions push them away. Not a pretty picture, right? But don't worry, we've got your back. We're going to walk you through some of the biggest don'ts when it comes to winning over your crush. If you make these mistakes, you are ruining your chance with your crush. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First up, don't be a stalker. It's tempting to keep tabs on your crush's every move, but trust us, it's a major turnoff. You might think it's cute or endearing, but in reality, it's just plain creepy. It's like being watched by a hawk, and no one likes that feeling. Instead, give them their space. They have their own life, their own interests, and their own personal time. Respecting this is crucial. If they want to share something with you, they will. Don't force them to reveal every little detail about their life. Remember, curiosity might have killed the cat. But in this case, too much curiosity might just kill your chances with your crush. So avoid being that person who's always lurking, always prying. It's about balance. Show interest, but don't become obsessive. Give them their space, respect their privacy, and they will appreciate you more. Now let's talk about being fake. Pretending to be someone you're not just to win over your crush is a big no-no. Yes, you heard it right. The facade might work in the short run, but remember, we're aiming for a lasting bond here. And nothing beats authenticity when it comes to forming real deep connections. You've got to understand, it's your unique self that makes you, well, you. And that's what we want your crush to fall for. Whether it's your quirky sense of humor, your love for vintage records, or your passion for cooking, let these genuine qualities shine through. There's a certain charm in the raw, unfiltered you. So, drop the pretense. Don't hide behind a mask, embrace your individuality. Let them see the real you, the one behind the scenes and not just the highlight reel. Stay true to yourself and let your genuine qualities shine. Authenticity is more attractive than you think. Another mistake to steer clear of is playing mind games. We all know how tempting it can be, trying to manipulate your crush's emotions or attempting to make them jealous. It might seem like a good strategy in the short run, but let's be real here. It's not. Not only is it unfair to your crush, but it's also not healthy for you or the potential relationship. It creates unnecessary drama and can lead to trust issues down the line. Instead of resorting to manipulation, try being open and honest about your feelings. Show your interest in a respectful and genuine way. The truth is, emotional manipulation can never bring about a solid, lasting connection. So, ditch the mind games. Be straightforward and sincere. You'll find that honesty goes a long way in building a healthy, meaningful connection with your crush. Remember, a relationship built on trust and respect is far more rewarding and enduring. Avoid mind games at all costs. Moving on, don't rush into the love zone. Building a strong foundation takes time. When it comes to winning over your crush, patience truly is a virtue. It's natural to want to dive headfirst into the throes of love, but it's crucial to remember that a relationship isn't a race. It's more like a leisurely stroll through a beautiful park. You want to take your time, enjoy the scenery, and let things unfold naturally. Now let's talk about pressure. It's like a leaky faucet, dripping and dripping until it becomes a flood. Pressuring your crush into a serious relationship too soon can be just as damaging. It can push them away and in some cases even ruin what might have been a great relationship. So instead of trying to force things, why not just let the relationship blossom at its own pace? It's better to wait for a flower to bloom than to force open its petals. On another note, let's touch on personal hygiene. Yes, it sounds elementary, but you'd be surprised how many people forget about this crucial aspect. Good hygiene is not just about smelling nice, but also about maintaining a clean and healthy appearance. It shows respect for yourself and for others around you. Remember, first impressions last, and nothing leaves a more lasting impression than a well-groomed individual. Imagine you're a book. Your cover, your personal hygiene, is the first thing people see. If your cover is clean and well-maintained, people are more likely to want to read your story. Your crush is no different. They're more likely to be interested in getting to know you if you present yourself well. So what's the bottom line here? Take things slow with your crush. Let the relationship evolve naturally, without any undue pressure. And while you're at it, don't forget to take care of your personal hygiene. It's a simple yet effective way to make a good impression and potentially win over your crush. Take care of yourself, and your crush will take notice. Remember, good things take time. And there you have it, folks. Some essential tips on what not to do to win your crush. We've talked about the importance of respecting your crush's personal space and not being a stalker. We've underscored the significance of being authentic and not putting on a facade just to impress. We've warned against playing mind games and using manipulation as a way to catch your crush's attention. We've emphasized the need for patience and not rushing into the love zone too soon. And of course, we've highlighted the crucial role of personal hygiene in leaving a positive, lasting impression. These aren't just tips, these are the building blocks of a healthy, respectful relationship. And remember, every mistake avoided is a step closer to winning your crush's heart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Good luck, and happy crushing!